My name is Rebecca Serrato. I'm one of the orthopedic foot and ankle surgeons here at the Institute of Foot and Ankle Reconstruction at Mercy. Some of the most common conditions that we treat are forefoot deformities such as bunions, arthritis conditions including the ankle, arthritis in joints in the foot. We treat a lot of sports injuries, ankle sprains, a lot of cartilage type injuries.
Well, I think that's the greatest part about our institute. We have cutting edge technologies that we do on advanced deformities and problems, but we don't lose sight of the common things like flat foot, bunions. We cover the entire spectrum of foot and ankle care.
We cover all age ranges and all types of pathology with multiple experts all under one roof. We really feel comfortable taking care of everything.
Everything is about the patient when you come to the Institute. From check-in to seeing the patients to x-rays to getting signed up for surgery, it's all centered around the patient and their experience with us.
You look at people holistically, you understand them better, and your treatments can be more customized to what their desires and activities are.
We also rely heavily on other areas within Mercy and in other departments, physical therapy, radiology, pain management, things like that. So we really work very closely in an interconnected way with all of these facets to take care of the patient.
When you see me as a patient, I will understand what your vision is about your problem. It's a more co-creative approach to getting people better pain relief, function, and health.